Make sure to check out the links in the video description below. There's a lot of great information there, both for federal and state, including the report that I mentioned in the video. Hi, many of you know that we're in the cleaning business here in the Boston area. Wanted to take a minute to talk to you about the COVID-19 virus that's hitting our whole country and indeed the world. Today is March 25th, Wednesday. I'm coming at you from a cleaning point of view because what's already happening, which is unfortunate, is people in the cleaning business, not necessarily the people who we consider colleagues and peers, are touting, based on the fears of potential clients, they're touting quick fixes for sanitizing and cleaning homes and offices. They'll go in, these fraudulent companies will go in with a spray bottle or some kind of an atomizer sprayer that'll spray some kind of disinfectant all over the surfaces and claim that they're going to keep you, your family, your office workers, customers all safe from this virus. It's just simply not true. It's not that easy. We all wish it was. This is just sort of a PSA to inform you to be careful. Call your local state authorities, call your local towns, find out how you can in fact clean and disinfect your home or your office, but please don't fall for those scams. They represent a small part of our cleaning industry, which I'm proud to be a part of, but these folks will prey on your weakness, your vulnerability, and your fear. Don't do it. There's a paper here, I'll put a link to this in the description. Two recognized authorities in this area, RIA and the IICRC, have put out papers guiding cleaning companies and restoration companies of how to help customers, both residential and commercial, get after this problem. I would encourage you to go to the CDC, talk to your state governments to find out how you can make yourself safe. Right now we have issues of keeping people from surviving this while they're in the hospital, but these scammers are out there. On behalf of the cleaning industry, I apologize. We wish it wouldn't happen. It's going to give everybody a bad name. Good luck, stay safe, and we'll get through this. Thanks for watching. If you or someone you know is contacted by someone who seems fraudulent, leave the information below. We'll share it. That way everybody learns. We'll get through this together.